I have a confession to make. I maybe, possibly, definitely have been gatekeeping some Amazon products from you because they're giving the looks look for less and I didn't want them to sell out so that I could benefit from that. But in today's video, I'm going to spill the tea, spill the beans. When we stop saying that, when did it become tea and not beans? I don't know, it's giving Boston Tea Party. But we're gonna walk around my house, look at these luxury inspired items and talk through them. Now, before we get into today's video, if you're new here, my name is KB and I'm your interior design fairy godmother and I teach you how to achieve the luxe look for less. So this video is right on time, and if you find yourself enjoying it, smash that subscribe button because I have new videos like this every Monday and Friday, and I'd love to have you as a member of our community. But let's start walking. We're starting the video in my dining room where we never dine. We ate there for dinner last night and it was a miracle. But first up, we have this set of 2 sconces. So these sconces are 2 for $13 right now. I know, a total steal. I've seen these, like one of them for like $40 on websites, even more than that on like a Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, whatever. These are so gorgeous. I think I got them on sale. I picked them up on Prime Day and like I recorded a huge Prime unboxing, so stay tuned for that video. And I like didn't post it yet because I was like, I need to order more of these first. But these are gorgeous. You get a set of 2, like I said in the pack. And before someone's typing, it's dangerous to put fire near a wall. This is a fake candle, my love. So we're totally okay. I make really stupid decisions, but that's not what I would make. So you can put any type of candle in here. This is what it looks like with a fake candle. I also have a real candle from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And I just think it's so cute. I think it's a great way to like frame out a painting or a mirror or something like that. I just love them and they're super lightweight. And you guys know I have commitment issues. So I actually hung this using a little push pin. So this is a heavy duty push pin. They sell them at Target. That's where I got mine, but I'm pretty sure you can get them anywhere. But it's just a heavy duty push pin. It's black on black. So I think it like really blends in well. And this like moves a bit. So if you don't hang it perfectly level, you can kind of adjust it. But I think this is gorgeous. If you're into the vintage trend right now, or if you just need some additional lighting in your home, these are spectacular. Again, looks good with the fake candle and the real candle, but again, don't leave the real candle there if you're not going to stand and watch a candle burn, which seems like a really, really big waste of time. But yeah, love this, especially for the price tag. And now I want to draw your attention to the living room. This is what it looks like on any given day. I do not regularly fluff it, and you can tell where everyone sits. Babe sits on that cushion right there. I sit on the edge here, which is why it's drooping off. But anyway, the next luxe item I've been gatekeeping from Amazon is this blanket. So it comes in so many different colors. I'm gonna be honest, I dropped this in like a moss bowl, so it's covered in moss, but the show must go on. I have it in like this cream beige color. It is designer inspired, obviously. And I don't know, I just feel like it's luxe. It adds a little bit of oomph to it. It's cute. It's warm. I've had this. Let me pull the tag off. I'm one of those people, I don't take the tags off of anything. You'll see me like wearing clothes out. Like I've hidden the tag, but I don't like to take it off. I'm not returning the clothes. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing like a scheme. I literally just don't like to take the tags off because it hurts my hands. But here is the blanket. This is the white side. And then here is like the taupe side. It's massive. As you can see here, I'll put it on for you. I just think this is such a gorgeous piece. As I said, it comes in every color that you could really imagine. Really works with like my color scheme. Fashion and interior design are so heavily intertwined, but a really gorgeous piece. I'm pretty sure this is $45 for this blanket, and there are different sizes. There are also coordinating pillows. The pillows to me feel a little bit tacky. This doesn't, but I know someone in the comments is gonna be like, this is tacky because it looks just like the designer one. I do not care. If you want me to have the designer one, I will send you my address. But if you want to splurge on that, this one is awesome. Now we're gonna make our way to my powder room, which I've not debuted yet here on YouTube because I've got a whole vlog series coming because we're having some big life changes. But until I'm ready to share that, I'm just gonna give you a little sneak peek, so let's head in there. Next up are these sconces, and I can't come further into the bathroom and improve the lighting because when I do, the fan comes on. And no one wants that. but these sconces remind me so much of the Kelly Wearstler sconces that kind of look like bats. I wanted them for ages. I think they're like at least 400 bucks a pop. I found this set of 2 for $80. They're on sale right now. They come in so many different colors, but I think they're just gorgeous because they shoot light upwards and downwards. Super cheap, super easy to install. They do not come with light bulbs, but they look so similar to the Kelly Wearstler ones that I'm telling you, I sat oscillating about whether or not I was going to buy them, but I think these really achieve that look for less. And the other luxury inspired item I have in my bathroom is this pivot mirror. So pivot mirrors used to be really, really popular, and they sell them on company brands like Our House, Restoration Hardware, Pottery Barn, and they're really pricey. I found this one, I think it's 58 inches tall by, it has to be less than 36 inches because that's the amount of space this is, wide, for $258, I believe, and it pivots. So that's the beauty of it. So I was able to light behind it. You can see there are some fun lights behind it. I have them set to yellow, but I can set them to any color of the rainbow. I'll show you in real time. So if I want them to be blue, they can be blue. If I want them to be green, purple, any color of the rainbow. You can even sync them to music. That feels like a little bit much for me. But I just think they're gorgeous. A really nice addition. That's like the daylight lighting. And again, we do have overhead lighting before you guys say it's really dark in here. But finding a pivot mirror for this cheap was such a steal. I never thought it was going to be possible. And I think this is just gorgeous. I would use this in a bathroom above vanity, obviously. I would use this in a dressing room. I think this could even be nice above like nightstands again, so that you can have that backlighting. While having like some depth there. This could even be in an entryway if you have enough walkway space. So 10 out of 10, I love this. And I do think it comes in a few different colors. And the final item in my bathroom that I wanted to share is this vanity. So it's by the brand Modway. They're sold on Amazon. I just have like a bunch of random stuff in here right now, but this is $224 for the 36-inch vanity. And I have a vanity just like this in my primary bathroom without the ridges, but with this kind of like cutout situation that we have here. And I bought that one, not this one, the one in my primary, from Restoration Hardware, and that one was like $6,000, and I literally just had the tech here yesterday to fix it. So the quality isn't any better than this one. This one is $200. I think they have like really, really large sizes. The only issue I had is that my pipes are weird, so I had to take out this sheet, but that's not a problem with like the furniture, that's a problem with me. But I just love it. The storage in this is great. You can throw anything in here, and there's storage in the top, and there's also storage in the one below as well, so you have the 2 drawers. And I just think the wood detail really screams luxury. This panel look is something you're seeing at all of the luxury brands. They're all doing it, and it was great to be able to incorporate this into my bathroom. I'm telling you, I'll put up comps of all the luxury items and then the items from Amazon, and this was just like a 10 out of 10 for me. And I almost forgot my fun little statue, but I'm gonna pull her out of the bathroom so that you can see her better. So now we're in my entry room, which is truly a space of transition, so that's why there's nothing on the wall. We're having a party, and I was using the mirror to like cricket it and make like an entry side or whatever. So now you see the janky wall. It is what it is. But you guys love this sculpture here, and I got mine from HomeGoods, but they also sell it on Amazon, and I accidentally linked the wrong one. You guys ate me up, so I apologize for that. I'm human, okay? So this one is the 26-inch one. It's by Sagebrook Home. They also sell it by A&B Home. You can get these at HomeGoods, but obviously HomeGoods is inconsistent. So I did link the right one, but this is not traditionally a table. I sanded her down. I know, it's kind of like disrespectful. I'm sorry that I did it, but I'm also not sorry because I love it. I sanded it down, and I put one of these pads on it where I sanded it down so that the glass would adhere to it, you know, give it a little bit of tension. And then I went on Amazon and just bought this glass. I think this was like $34, and I made a table. So that is how I have this table in my bathroom, and I use this for toilet paper, other things like that. But that's how I have this gorgeous table. It actually is a very easy DIY that anybody can do. But this sculpture I think looks super luxe. Sculpture is always going to look luxe. I think it's one of like the best forms of art in my opinion. And she's beautiful. She's beauty, she's great, she's Miss United States in my opinion. Hopefully she was made in the United States, or else that doesn't really make any sense. And now I'd like to welcome you to my bedroom gallery. This is where I display lots of my art. I am, I would say, an amateur art collector, but it brings me joy and I love it. And something you guys ask me about all the time that I don't always leave the details about because they always sell out and I don't like when you guys yell at me, so I've gate kept them, are these sculptures. So these are my men, the only men in my life, right here. So this is the back side. and this is the front size, and these are great. They come with like these little hooks on the back. I love sculpture. I love the human body. Doesn't matter to me if it's male, female, other, love it all. It's gorgeous in all shapes and sizes, and I just love to add sculpture to my home. This is the type of thing I might backlight, add like a puck light behind it so that it illuminates. I think it's just a great way to add some texture. I'm a very simple woman when it comes to design, and like very like basic tones. I don't like a lot of clutter. I don't like a lot of color. So this is kind of how I add visual interest. I think they're about $25 a piece. Of course, I will link all the details below, but I just grabbed these on Amazon, and they're so lightweight that you can hang them with push pins, which is how I've actually done it. And these used to sit in my bathroom, but when I put together this gallery wall, I just felt like it was craving some sculpture. So I moved them out here, and so far that has been a really great decision. If you're familiar with the brand Diptyque, they used to sell this bath mat that people would go crazy for, but I don't remember the price. It was something outrageous, and I found this one on Amazon, which is incredibly similar. It just has the cherubs on it. It says, enjoy your life. This is a great place. It is clean, whatever. It is an off-white, I would say, because I feel like against my floor it looks kind of dirty, but it is clean. I just cleaned it, I bleached it. This is what it looks like. It is so comfortable on the foot. I must admit that. It's actually super absorbent. I know I talk all the time about like diatomaceous earth and stuff like that. This is the only like normal bath mat I will use. I just think it's really nice on the feet. Like this is the type of bath mat, TMI, that like if I'm, you know, sitting on the toilet for a while, this is what I want to put my feet on on top of like the heated floors. 10 out of 10. It's gorgeous. They come in like many different varieties. Some of them have like different text around them. This is just like the luxe look for less. It's the epitome of that. And I feel like when I want to upgrade my space, I always want to upgrade the bathroom, because that's where we spend a lot of time just like doing girl stuff. And now I'd like to welcome you to our primary suite. This is something new or fine. Literally wanted to gatekeep it though because it's so good, and I don't think I'm ever gonna buy a different duvet cover. And you know that's a big thing saying coming from me. Besides Feather and Stitch, I'll buy that because again, the Wamsutta inspired. But this is great. This is a sateen duvet cover. You get the duvet cover and 2 shams for I think $60 for a king. And they do sell oversized king, oversized queen, all of that. They have all the different sizes, all the different colors. This baby doesn't wrinkle. So it's sateen. So sateen is supposed to be like a relatively wrinkle-free sort of fiber. That happens 0% of the time. I bought luxury sateen, it wrinkles. I bought non-luxury sateen, it wrinkles. This one, comparatively, does not wrinkle at all. I've been sleeping with this for like 3 days. That was the last time I changed this duvet cover. It's already been through the laundry several times. Look at the lack of wrinkles. I did not iron this. You know I didn't, because I'm far too lazy. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, it has fewer wrinkles in it than if I'd spent like an hour ironing something. This was without any starch, any wrinkle release. So if I went over it like quickly with an iron or with a steamer, it would be impeccable. It would be like hotel level wrinkle free. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is it from like a further away distance. This is a great option. And I did make the mistake of getting the, normal king, so I didn't get the oversized king because honestly I didn't think I was going to like it, but it's wonderful. It does have buttons at the bottom, so it isn't a zip closure, which you guys know I prefer, but she's good. She's really good. And this is how it sits normally at the base of my bed, so just like curled up at the bottom. Oof. It's gorgeous. And it really truly is a pure white. It's not an off-white, it is white, and I love her. And the last item in the primary that I've kind of gatekept is this curly Q pillow. So these are great. I feel like people love boucle, they love Sherpa, but I think Sherpa oftentimes looks like it's made for dogs. I hate to say it, but my dog loves Sherpa, so it just looks like a dog toy to me. This is giving like curly Q. It's giving curly Q. I think it's luxe. It's so nice to the touch. It comes in so many different colors. It's by the brand Foyne Tower. You get a set of 2 for the price. I mean, the zipper is beautifully hidden. I have showed these a few times before, so I wasn't being super stingy. I think these are the most expensive looking pillows I've ever found on Amazon. And they are a 10 out of 10 for me. I'll show them to you up close. They do come in like squares if you like that instead, but of course I have the brown. This is where the zipper is in this enclosure. And the zipper is cream, but you like literally wouldn't have known that, right? It's so well hidden and they're super soft. These are super soft. Honestly, it kind of looks like they took my hair, like my natural hair, and they put it on a pillow. I just really, really love it. Okay, friends, that is it for today's video. Those were some luxury inspired finds from Amazon that I have been gatekeeping. These are totally going to help you achieve the luxe look for less. All these items I think were under $100, so like such a steal. So high quality for the price, and I think they're going to elevate your space no matter what your interior design style is. All of the items I featured in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. I'll also pin them in the comments, and you can follow me over on Amazon to go check them out. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you had fun bopping around the house with me, seeing what is looking sophisticated and kind of seeing where I look for inspiration and then where I find these items on Amazon. And let me know if you want a video on how I find these luxury inspired items, because I'd love to break it down for you. If you liked today's video, please consider smashing that subscribe button so you can tune in for my new videos every Monday and Friday. But until next time, have a beautiful day.